Okay, sagutin natin to. Find the moment of the inertia of the area bounded by the parabola y squared is equal to 4x x-axis and the line x is equal to 1 with respect to x-axis which is yung ix. Yung ix ang formula niya is from a to b, integral ng from a to b and y squared tapos x rightmost minus x leftmost dy. Graph muna natin. Yung y squared is equal to 4x pa right na yan. Yan yung graph niya with the vertex from the origin. X-axis ito. So, x is equal to 1 dito. So, ayan lang. Hindi na natin papansinin sa baba kasi may x-axis na nakaharang. Okay? Halamin natin kung ano yung mga plot nito. So, ito 0, 0. Tapos ito 1, 0. At malalaman natin yung plot niya. So, pumagitan ng pag-substitute na x is equal to 1 dun sa y squared is equal to 4x. Therefore, y squared is equal to 4 times 1. Y squared is equal to 4. Square root natin, y is equal to 2. Positive, negative 2 sana yan. Kasi hindi na natin kakaluin yung negative 2. So magiging 1, 2 ito. Okay? Ix siya, so gagamitin natin ng dy strip. Okay? So therefore, ix is equal to from 0 to 2. Y squared, xr natin is yung 1 minus ito, yung leftmost is yung parabola. So gagawin natin y squared is equal to 4x in terms of y. So y squared is equal to 4x. Ulit natin yan, divided by 4. X is equal to y squared over 4. Ito na nilalagay natin dito, tapos dy. Yan, para makuha natin ix, integral ng y squared, x magiging y, multiplied by y, 1 minus y squared all over 4 from 0 to 2. 1.067. Okay?